Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're focusing on replacing the fan in the HP 250 G6 laptop. This task is essential for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. Let's dive into the tools you'll need first. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. It's vital to have these tools nearby to ensure a smooth process. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Next, with your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Make sure to keep track of these screws, a small container can help organize them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. After removing the panel, you should see the internal components of the laptop, including the fan. Now, locate the fan. It's typically situated near the heatsink. You will see additional screws securing the fan in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. As you do this, take a moment to inspect the fan for dust buildup. This could be a reason for the fan malfunctioning. If the fan is dirty, clean it gently with compressed air before proceeding. Once the screws are removed, disconnect the fan's power cable. Be gentle when unplugging this cable to avoid damaging the connector. Now, you can take out the old fan. If you find it difficult to remove, ensure that no additional screws are holding it in place. With the old fan removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new fan in the same position as the old one, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the fan's power cable, ensuring a snug fit to avoid any loose connections. Before reassembling the back panel, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the heatsink. This step is crucial as it helps in heat dissipation. If you're unsure how to apply thermal paste, a pea-sized amount in the center of the heatsink is usually sufficient. Now, carefully replace the back panel of the laptop and secure it with the screws. Double-check that all screws are tightly fastened. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you, no calls, no travel. After securing the back panel, reinsert the battery if applicable, and plug in the laptop. Power it on to test the new fan. Listen for any unusual noises, and monitor the temperature during use. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your fan. In summary, replacing the fan in your HP 250 G6 requires some basic tools and a bit of patience. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We can provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring you're informed every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.